Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download CS2. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is head over to Steam, and once you are on the Steam website you do actually want to log into your account. Now if you don't have an account you can go up here to where it says login, and then down here where it says new to Steam you can click this button to actually create an account. But if you already have an account you can sign in here. And then once you've done that, you should see a page like this. And what we want to do from here is just go to the search bar, just type in counter, and the top result should be Counter-Strike 2. Now when we click on this, we can learn a bit more about it and see what the game's actually about. And in order to actually download it and start playing it, you just want to click this play game button here. And of course, I'm not logged into my account right now, but if you are, it would actually begin downloading. And that is absolutely free to play as well. However, there is a paid version, but that is for buying Prime status upgrade. So CS2 players with Prime status are matched with other Prime status players and are eligible to receive Prime exclusive souvenir items, item drops and weapon cases. So if you want all that added stuff with it, you can go ahead and spend $11.99 as well. But if you just want the game by itself, you can go ahead and download this one. So once you have done that, you'll see this option at the top called Library. And from here, you'll see Counter-Strike 2 downloading. And then when it is ready, you can go ahead and click this button to start it. So that's exactly how you can download CS2. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.